Hey everybody, Mike here. Today I wanted to take a second to show you this DEWALT 8-volt screwdriver. This is battery operated. It's also gyroscopic. The last one of these I owned was probably 10 years ago. We all remember those 3 and 4 volt screwdrivers that they've had for years. They just don't have the power to really get much done. They had internal batteries, so once that battery was dead, you had to wait on it to charge up again. They just never really were worth the time. It's nice about what DEWALT's done with this one here. They made the battery removable. So once this battery dies, you can have a second one already charged, ready to go, and then meanwhile have the charger going. You can operate it straight like this, or you can actually turn it to a pistol grip. On top, you've got your bit holder. And I'm pretty sure the chuck on the top of this is the same they put on the 1/4-inch impacts. When you put your bit in, it still locks in place just like your impacts would. What I like about this one is it's got the lights on the front as well. When you pull the trigger, it shows you the battery level on the front. And then once you pull your trigger, when you rotate your hand to the left or right, that controls which way the bit goes and how fast. It's also variable speed. It's also got the clutch on top, so you can really dial in where you need to be, so you don't risk breaking a screw or breaking a faceplate on an electrical socket. I really like that you can use just about any bit for this. So I've got an array of different bits, including I've even actually used this as a small drill before. If I need to drill a pilot hole, I'll find myself grabbing this instead of grabbing my normal drill. I wish I could use these double-headed, Phillips on one end, flathead on the other. It'll go in, and you could use it, but it just won't lock in place. I wish I could find an alternative for that. To give you an idea real quick of what kind of power this has, if you've got the clutch set to max, it'll actually drive a drywall screw into a 2x4. It does struggle a little bit. For being only 8 volt, I'm pretty impressed with the torque that this has. I feel like this is a really handy kit to have.